see the rainwater tanks overflowing. A fair bit of rain here. It's pretty well rained non-stop all of today. We managed to get back yesterday afternoon. We left at 6:30 and got in on after 3. Took us eight and a bit hours to get home. It's usually a 5-hour drive. All the creeks are up. There's around 400 mil in the middle of the road, so yeah, just took it easy. We finally got home, got stopped there, I don't know, for about an hour just north of Emerald. I think the SES got a little bit trigger happy closing the road because it was only like 100 mil, 200 mil at the most. So yeah, plenty of water around. I think Capella's cut off, Clermont's cut off, Emerald's probably cut off, Bluff's cut off, Middlemount's cut off, Dingo Road's shut, Beef Road's shut, so there's a lot of roads shut. And I come down here this morning and threw some more of those water crystals in. Just hopefully trying to keep a bit of water in there for a while. It's been a bit of a boring day. I haven't been able to do anything. Tidied up the shed a little bit, but going into the workshop next few days. Do some work on my rig, and I'm supposed to be going back out on the weekend to work, but I don't think it's going to happen, just quietly. You can see where I've spilt crystals everywhere. But this bottom dam's come up probably another 2 inches since this morning. So this is all they are, just those water crystals that you put in like pot plants and that. Just trying to seal it up a little bit. Yeah, threw a good few handfuls in this one, so hopefully that seals it up a bit more. And try and get in there and stir a bit of that clay up with those crystals and really create a good seal at the bottom of the hole, bottom of the dam. Oh shit, stuck in my thong. It's been windy too, so there's a few more branches down. Not big ones, but a couple of big ones still stuck up in the eucalyptus trees there that haven't come down yet, so hence why they call them widow makers. Bit of a brake line or something, steel pipe. Yeah, haven't been doing much, not able to do much, just too wet, too slippery. It's really grained up. Like, I probably should have mowed again before I went back to work last week, but I was just too lazy. Now I'm going to have to do twice the amount of work to get it all down again, so is what it is. Yeah, she was pretty crazy yesterday. Like, we left at 6:30. If we'd left another hour later, we would be stuck out at work. it was probably by 9 o'clock most of the roads had been closed until further notice, so we were kind of lucky to get out. And then it just rained the whole way back to the workshop. It's good to see all this grass coming up where, you know, it all just used to be that shit. But problem is this bloody Johnson grass, just as soon as it gets a drop of water on it, it is just, you can't stop the shit. And all this is like halfway up my leg. Some of it's past my knee, like this stuff here, the Johnson grass. Yeah. I'll show you. Got some a couple of pumpkins going on. One there, another one in there, and another one there. There is a few fruit here somewhere there. There's one. They sort of aborted, so they never pollinated properly. A lot more of this bank's washed out. So I'm going to have to do something about that at some point, because it gets a bit annoying having to constantly clean all this silt back out. So yeah, she's nice and green, but a lot of work to get it back down tidy. Did see, actually I'll come and show you. Did have a few onion, what do you call them? Onion shoots coming up, so that's not overflowing, it's just all coming through the hill here. It's just water everywhere. And of course all the gutters are overflowing, so it's all washing out because of these fucking gum trees of our neighbours. The corn's going alright. Okay. We've got a few little sprouts happening. Not many. Probably 3 or 4. So it's a good little experiment. If they can, even if they run to bulk, because I don't think this is the right season for them. At least I'll be able to get the seeds off them and get them going that way. And these don't seem to have died yet, so from the transplant and that. I might actually, if we're still here on the weekend, I might get out and get another one and move it out here while it's wet, while it's raining. And mango tree's got the first blush, so I mean little where is it? A little pineapple. It's taken off. But yeah, I need to get a little spray rig so I can get all these weeds. It's just too much to do with a bloody spray pack. And we haven't been using council water at all for a week, so it's been good with this rain, saved a little bit of money, but not much because they're still sluggy for a bloody connection. Yeah. So yeah, nothing too exciting, but a bit of an update anyway. I've got lots of videos of the water crossings and that, but I really don't want to post them. Because sure as shit it'll get back to the company and then I'll be out of a job, so I would love to upload them, but yeah, it's just not worth it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Starting to sprinkle again, so I'm going to get out of this rain. Have a good day.